I was stationed at 29 Palms, California from 1978 until 1982. My job was to box and represent the Marine Corps. You know, getting punched in the face is like, how could a person really love that? But there's nothing like getting your hand raised as a warrior, a boxer. My name is Ernest Johnson. I am the owner of Old School Boxing and Fitness Gym in San Diego. After my transition back into the civilian world, I was working in the computer field and I couldn't wait to get to the gym every day. I was always coaching somebody. So I decided to open my own gym in 2008. I've got a good location. It's walk by, drive by. But to get them in here other ways, I couldn't figure it out in the beginning. Basically, we learned that it's important for me to have that online presence if I want to compete with the other gyms. So I have the veteran-led badge in my Google listing. Somebody Googles a gym near me, it will pop up and identify me as a veteran-led business. That's a plus because people look to support veterans. You get a wide variety of people and professions that will come and use boxing as a means to better themselves. Being able to set somebody on a better path in their life, I can't put in the words the satisfaction you get from something like that. The sport of boxing, that's a lifelong love. I truly love what I do.